Hi, async await greatly improves the readability of your code. It prevents it from callback hell and promise hell. Like in this case, we have 3 requests, and the uniqueness of this is the third request is based on the data from the first request. And it looks awful. We can rewrite it using async. So first, we need to indicate that this is a async function, because you cannot use await without async. And now we can say const login equals await this login. Then we will use it to get our user. So const user await this get user. And we are passing our login. As you can see, it's automatically unwrap the promise. And third is our customers. Await this get customers. And we are passing login and user. You will have probably more complicated code. Async function will create an automatic promise. So now when we want to use our, in this case, let's return our customers. When we want to use our load customers, it will be automatically a promise. So we can use then. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.